Keter Eden Outdoor Patio Storage Bench Review. The Keter Eden 70-gallon all-weather outdoor patio storage bench is a very attractive and functional piece of outdoor furniture that suffers from a few flaws. Made from weather-resistant resin, this patio storage bench is built for the outdoors. Plus, it has a lockable water-resistant lid and is very low maintenance. Even better, it comes in your choice of 2 colors for added visual appeal. We love the tightly sealed lid and everything inside stayed nice and dry. It was also the perfect size for 2 adults and has a great 70-gallon capacity for all your lawn and pool equipment. However, in our opinion, it's not worth the price. The resin is akin to kids' play plastic and is very flimsy. While it does hold up quite a bit of weight, over time we'd be worried about cracking and damage. This is particularly true of the bottom. It was extremely thin and only held on by a few screws. Another issue we found was the assembly is very hit or miss. Some of the pieces did snap into place and required a bit of extra work to get them to line. Overall, the Keter Eden Outdoor Patio Storage Bench is just an okay unit. We recommend you buy the slightly smaller Suncast PB6700 patio bench instead. It has a far superior build quality and while not as visually impressive, it is a much better patio bench in the long run. Practical design. One of the great things about the Keter Eden Outdoor Patio Storage Bench is just how practical it is. We love being able to have all of our patio equipment stored neatly away and have a space to sit. The 54 bench is more than large enough for 2 full-grown adults with a bit of space to spare. Plus, at 18 tall, the seat is the perfect height and won't require any straining to get into or out of. Because this patio storage bench is made from polyurethane resin, it is extremely water-resistant and immune to rotting, warping, and most other types of environmental damage. Furthermore, the resin doesn't require any special painting or maintenance. It simply lasts for years at a time. We also were pleased with the straight-back design. This lets the unit slide right up to a wall and frees up a ton of space. While the angled designs are a bit more comfortable, they are a lot less practical when outdoor space is at a premium. Large capacity storage with a lockable lid. We were equally as impressed with the 70-gallon storage capacity of the Keter Eden Outdoor Patio Storage Bench. With an interior space that was 50.4 L x 19.7 W x 15.0 H, it was more than large enough to hold all of our miscellaneous propane burners, marshmallow roasting sticks, and more. Plus, it has a built-in floor to keep any rodents from eating away at our fabrics. We did find the floor to be a bit thin, however, and wouldn't recommend putting too much weight on it. One of the good things though is that water does not build up in it, making it a great choice for pool toys, chemicals, and other outdoor liquids. The lid was also very well designed in our opinion. It had a great stiff seal on it and was pretty much watertight. Even during our simulated rainstorm with the hose, it kept everything inside nice and dry. Plus, it comes with a small latch that you can padlock close if you wish. This is especially good if you have curious kids or ne'er-do-wells around. The hinged lid was also able to fully open, making it very easy to put items into the bench. If you're still worried about rainy weather, it'd be a good idea to place this storage bench under a patio umbrella for a bit of extra protection. Weather-resistant, yet flimsy construction. As we mentioned before, the Keter Eden Patio Storage Bench is made from a type of plastic resin. This material is super weather-resistant and perfect for the outdoors. By design, it's nearly impervious to rotting and warping from the sun. Plus, it doesn't absorb water and can last a lifetime with little maintenance. The only issues is, it was just too thin for the job. To us, it felt like the kind of cheap plastic used to build kids' toys, not something durable we want to rely on for a long time. That being said, once assembled it was pretty sturdy, and when we loaded it up with patio accessories we were sure the wind wouldn't take it away. That's a good thing because there were no anchors or tie-down points. You could always drill holes in the base to anchor it down. But with a flimsy bottom, we'd not recommend it. If you plan to use this on a lawn, you can opt not to install the bottom and instead leave it open. While this will decrease the structural stability a bit, it'll leave your grass in a bit better state of health. Overall, the Keter Eden Outdoor Patio Storage Bench is a wonderfully looking, functional piece of outdoor furniture. If you get lucky and have one that goes together nicely, you'll most likely enjoy it. With such a large 70-gallon storage capacity and good looks, it has a lot to offer. However, due to the many inherent design flaws as well as the possibly nightmarish assembly, we'd recommend you get the Suncast PV6700 Patio Bench or Suncast Element S Love Seat with storage instead. They are simply superior units and you won't have to worry about misaligned parts, thin plastic, or trails of any kind.